Hi guys, I'm here today to give you an update on Jasmy. We're going to be going through this from a company profile perspective, a technical analysis perspective, and also just generally what Jasmy is in general, guys. If you like the content, smash a like on it here at Crypto News. We would love it if you hit that subscribe button, notification bell on, and you're never going to miss one of our uploads. It's as simple as that. So just starting off with Jasmy on the Jasmy website. As you can see, a very, very professional company. And I just wanted to go into the company profile to start this off, guys, because it is a company that's based in Tokyo, and just some of the basically the board at the moment. You can see the COO is from Sony, former president of Sony, and the CEO Sony as well. So you can see just in general they have a very, very established team here. So that's a very, very bullish sign for this asset just in general. Very, very strong team. Just wanted to cover that very, very briefly. Now we're going to be looking at Jasmy just in general to see where it currently is and previous all-time highs, and then we're going to go into sort of what Jasmy is and also a technical analysis about this coin and sort of a price prediction that we could be looking out for here. So at the moment, Jasmy is trading at 1 cent 5 a coin currently, and its market cap's around 770 million, which in my opinion is currently underpriced, and we will go into as to why very, very shortly. The all-time high for this asset would be, oh no, that's the wrong one there. It would be basically from launch point that we have got on this chart is actually all the way up at around $5. Yeah, we have flatlined since then, and that was obviously a pre-bull market there. So we do have a lot of climbing to go here. But one thing that we can say is basically all the circulating supply is basically distributed now. So from a market cap perspective, it's looking a lot better. Okay, so the all-time high from a market cap perspective is actually up at $1.3 billion. Yeah, $1.3 billion there back in March of 2021. So we're near enough at the all-time high. Near enough, probably 70% of the way towards the all-time high. So probably looking at around a 30 or 40% gain there on this asset to get to that previous all-time high, which will put us around... probably like 2 cent a coin or something along the lines of that, right? Now, just into what sort of Jasmy is and what they're all about before we get into like the TA side of things. So Jasmy is a cryptocurrency project based in Tokyo, as we just said, and it's based off the Internet of Things, the IoT, and that's basically taking products and making them sort of internet compatible, right? So if you think of like a smart car, an electric car, right? The car's going to be connected to the internet, and the car will be able to communicate with the internet and other things. Basically, if there's something wrong with the car, then the car will essentially tell a service provider or something along the lines of that, right? And what Jasmy does here, it specializes in connecting service providers and data users with IoT, right? Okay, so very, very interesting stuff, buying and selling data. And the main goal of this project is sort of to establish an environment where users can put their data and stuff on a blockchain in a trusted manner for their Internet of Things, their devices, computers, cars, phones, and also in sort of like a decentralized protocol and decentralized sort of manner there. So overall, very, very interesting stuff. I think it is quite early in the space in terms of Internet of Things and blockchain. I think we do have a little bit of a way to go there, but when storing data on the blockchain becomes a very normal thing, the new norm, if you will, internationally, then I think Jasmy really is gonna shine there. And the fact that we've got some of the big guys here from Sony, which is obviously one of the biggest tech companies in the world there, on this project, and it's still currently underpriced, it just shows that there's massive, massive potential here for Jasmy. Now, over onto the technical analysis perspective for this asset, guys. You can see massive symmetrical triangle chart pattern. You can see massive levels of support in this area. And you can see, unfortunately, we have seen a bit of a dump to the downside. This is obviously due to Bitcoin. It's nothing to do with Jasmy right now. It's just that the rest of the market's having a bit of a pullback just due to the Bitcoin halving, etc., etc. So what sort of price areas and buying areas would I be looking out for here for Jasmy? Okay, so the first thing that is catching my eye is going to be the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level, okay, and that is this area just here. And if we break this, it sort of confirms we're going to have a reversal of the trend here, which would initiate us coming down to previous higher lows, which are currently situated at a 1 cent 2, which will be a little bit of a reduction, around a 21% reduction in the price there. Nothing to really be feared there, just because this area itself is a really, really clean buying zone for this asset, in my opinion. If we get there, it's going to be looking really, really, really good. Do I think we're going to get there? I think it's quite unlikely, okay? I think it's quite unlikely because you can see if we're doing a measure move here for this asset right now, you can see that measure move has near enough been completed, and it does take us down to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement area there, so it's nothing to really sort of be worrying about there. Just I would be looking for very, very nice buy zones for this asset. You can see the RSI coming into that overbought scenario as well, so looking for a buyback there. And yeah, overall chart not looking bad, market structure looking strong from a bullish perspective here, for Jasmy. And I do expect this asset in the next bull run to well, we're in a bull run, in the next sort of alt season to really start shining. I would expect at least a $10 billion, sorry, a $5 billion or a $10 billion market cap here. So we're probably looking at around a 5 or 10x here for Jasmy. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know what you think of this project and what you think of the video. If you do like it, smash a like on it. It does help out the channel tremendously. But that is going to be it from me here over on Crypto News. Hope you have a fantastic day. And also, guys, if you never want to miss our content, make sure you hit the subscribe button, notification bell on, and we're here every single day for you. But that's going to be it from me. Peace out, and I'll see you in the next one.